I just watched a video of Barrister Alan Onyema, the CEO of Airpeace, explaining why the Isiagu as a uniform or a dress was adopted for the London route of Airpeace. Because somebody said or complained, why Isiagu? Why not Isiagu? Should it have been an Buba and Iro or Abada and everyone will be happy? Or those who are complaining, political turncoats and so on, those who know only ethnicity and religion? Now listen, Alan Onyema is my friend, but I'm not making this video as his friend. I'm making it as a concerned Igbo man, a concerned Nigerian who feels that anytime anything comes to the Igbos, people bring in hate speech, hatred. We must stop this. It doesn't get us anywhere. That is identity adopted by Airpeace and should be respected. Alan Onyema and his brother, Professor Obiero Konko, have done more to the airline industry than the Nigerian nation has done. They should be commended, not vilified. And I ask you again, if you are complaining about Isiagu, should it have been an Ebuba and Iro for there to be peace? Or Abada? The Igbos cannot...
There are certain people, like you said, who are trying to distract. Let me tell you, we laugh at those things. A uniform that was not supposed to be an issue, that we started wearing since 2019, all of a sudden became an issue because of London. All these are people who are being sponsored to douse this London thing to see if Airpeace could get out of the London market. Unfortunately, some Nigerians, but they are insignificant, are buying it. When we brought Isiagu, we advertised for Nigerian fashion designers. I could have gone abroad to buy our uniform. We advertised for Nigerian fashion designers to come and compete to produce Airpeace's international uniform for international operations. That was when we were about to start Dubai in 2019. So about 500 fashion designers came. The people that won, 2 people that we selected at the end of the day to do our international uniforms, we are not known names. Today they are making their means of livelihood. The Isiagu thing was not even done by an Igbo person. It was not even done by Airpeace. It was part of the people that came, and somebody said, okay, to differentiate between your other crews from their leaders, let's give them that red Isiagu, listen, so that they will look different from the other crew. Those people, it's not all the crew that wear that. Yeah, it's only the lead crew. It's only the lead crews that wear that Isiagu. So the designer, everybody in the hall there said, oh, it is good. The person that criticized it, Airpeace has about 28 member management team. Out of that 28, how many of them are even Igbos? How many of them are Igbos? The people that take the Tony Olajide is leading Airpeace today. Is Tony Olajide Allen? Is it from Southeast? But it doesn't really bother us in Airpeace because it doesn't really bother good-minded Nigerians.
We're being deliberately frustrated. Airpeace chair raises alarm over conspiracy from foreign airlines. The chairman of Nigerian indigenous carrier Airpeace, Alan Onyema, has voiced concern over alleged conspiracy among foreign carriers operating the Nigeria-UK route. He claimed that these carriers are deliberately undercutting airfares on the route as part of a scheme to push Airpeace out of international operations. During an appearance on Channels Television's Politics Today program, Alan Onyema asserted the existence of an unspoken alliance among foreign airlines. He alleged that these airlines are employing lower pricing strategies with the aim of forcing Airpeace off the Nigeria-London route. If they take out Airpeace prematurely, this country will pay dearly for it. 10 times over, billions will be lost. There will be another heavy strain on the Naira. We are being deliberately frustrated in all ways, he said, citing ground handling and space allocation difficulties at Gatwick Airport in the last couple of days. It's a very devilish conspiracy. All of a sudden, foreign airlines are underpricing below the cost. It's not up to 1 month, An airline was advertising $100, another one $305, $350. Fill up the entire aircraft and carry people on the wings. It's not even enough to buy your fuel. So, why are they doing that? Their governments are supporting them because Nigeria has been a cash cow for everybody. Their governments are supporting them to do this and take air peace out. The idea is to take air peace out, and the moment they succeed in taking air peace out, Nigerians will pay 20 times over again. The airline boss invite other Nigerian airlines to join the Nigeria-UK route to break the monopoly hitherto enjoyed by foreign carriers operating into the 4 major gateway airports of Lagos, Abuja, Kano, and Port Harcourt. I invite other Nigerian airlines to join the fray. Let them come. Let all of us do international operations. Yes, international aeropolitics is very dirty, but somebody must pay the price, he said. Onyema expressed appreciation to President Bola Tinubu and Minister Keyamo for being solidly behind air peace, even as the airline navigates the politics side of operating to London. The development has been applauded by many industry observers who viewed it as a positive step forward. Encouraged by Air Peace's initiative, there is a growing support for other local airlines to consider launching international flights to lucrative routes, thus expanding opportunities and competition in the aviation sector. Before then, the price of international flight tickets on the Lagos-London route had soared to as much as 3.5 million naira. However, following Air Peace's introduction of a return economy class ticket priced at 1.2 million naira, foreign carriers like British Airways, Virgin Atlantic, and Qatar Airways found themselves compelled to significantly reduce their fares in order to remain competitive in the market. Stay tuned for more updates.
There are certain people, like you said, who are trying to distract. Let me tell you, you laugh at those things.